guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these braids without leaving the comfort of my own home and without breaking my wallet. I'm not going to talk too much because I'm working against the sun, and also I skipped to the part that I need to see, and I know a lot of you guys will do that as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, she hit us with the awkward hand wave. Class is now in session. Before we start the video, I want to make a disclaimer that this is me showing you guys how I do my braids in the midst of me actually refreshing my braids, so no, all of these are not fresh. Okay, first things first, shine and jam. This is great for beginners and people who don't have great grip because it gives you more control of what you're doing with the braids. I apply it to the root of each braid to slick everything down and give me more grip control. Now I'm braiding a normal braid down as close to my scalp as I can. Taking a strand of hair, you're going to place it on the two outer strands of the three-piece braid. Get a firm grip of it. And then you're going to want to push that outer braid hair to the middle, all the way down, and then continue braiding. I braid a little further down, and then taking another piece of hair, I do the same process, putting the two strands on the opposite two strands of the three-strand braid, pushing that middle section down to lock everything in. And at the top there's some white stuff, it's just residue from the shine and jam. Don't worry, it comes off. I'll get it before the end of the video, I promise. I don't know if you guys saw those little curly pieces that were sticking out of the braids, but this is how I do it. I take a little strand out of the actual braid and pin it to the top of my scalp because later I'll actually curl it. Okay, so this is everything once again. Put the shine and jam at the roots. Then split the section into 3 braiding sections. And then braid that bad boy as tight as you possibly can. Taking another piece of braiding hair, put it onto the 2 opposite sections. Take that end section, push it down in the middle, and then continue braiding. At your own discretion, take another one of those braiding pieces, pin it to your scalp, and then later we'll curl it. I know you got inspired to do your hair, so help a girl out, subscribe. So before you start putting the flexi rods on, go ahead and start a pot of water so that you can boil your ends. Wrap it as tight or as loose as you want to. For me personally, I wrap it kind of loosely at the top and then tight at the bottom. Personal preference, for me it's just easier to do it that way, but you can do it however you want to. And then I just clamp everything so again there are no mishaps. Okay, so this process gets a little messy at times, but basically you're gonna just do the same thing to the bottoms. Again, I take it from the middle, wrap it all the way around. The bottoms I do kind of really tight. Okay, so then just dip all of those things in some boiling hot water. Don't burn yourself, use common sense, and yeah, you should be fine. So of course after this I went ahead and unraveled them to get this finished product. If you guys learned something today or got inspired to do your hair, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And most importantly, thank you for watching.